Hey everyone, Kiera here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to give you an exclusive tour of two gorgeous properties located right here in Apache Junction, Arizona. I'm going to be taking you on a tour in Blossom Rock, and the homes that we're going to be touring is by the builder, which is called Tri Pointe. Now, whether you're searching for your dream home or you're just checking out beautiful properties, you're going to love these. They are some very nice properties. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future home tours and tips. And if you are ready to explore even more listings, be sure to visit me at futurekeys.com. Now let's get started. Hi everyone, so it's me again, Kiera. So the first home we're about to tour is the Chola, which is offered by Tri Pointe out here in Blossom Rock. Now this home can be either a 4 or 5 bedroom home. It comes with 3 baths, 3-car garage, and the square footage, I'm sorry, I was losing my words there, 3,124 square feet. Now, the base price for this home is $682,500. Let's go ahead and take a look and let me know what you think. right, now we're going to take a tour of the Pecan. The Pecan, where I'm standing at right now, is one of the entryways that you can enter for the next gen suite, which is attached to this home. Now, this is a 5-bedroom home, 4 baths, and you can have a 3 or 4 car garage, 3,453 square feet, and the base price for this home is $733,500. Let's go ahead and take a look and give me your feedback on what you think about the home. That concludes the tour of the two homes. If you would like more information, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is listed below, or you can also go onto my website at futurekeys.com and I can send whatever information you may need for the properties. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.